guys, welcome back. I am at this cemetery here. It's been a minute since I've visited this specific cemetery. Yeah, it's been a minute, so we're gonna find a spot to sit at, and I'm gonna also eat some food because I did get some Panda Express, and then I think we might walk around and make a video, or we'll sit in the car and make a video. I don't know, just depending how much people are around or how many people are around, because I don't want to, like, you know, disturb anybody. So yeah, anyways, there's a guy behind me, so I kind of feel like maybe I should get off my phone here soon or something. I don't know. Maybe. I don't know if I'm supposed to go this way, but we'll go this way, I guess. Please don't follow me this way. Oh, okay, follow me this way. That's fine. Okay, there's a guy with his dog. Okay, I'm gonna put my phone down for now. Okay. A spot where I want to park. I think I'm gonna park here. Maybe I shouldn't even be here. I don't know. Let's see. I'm gonna park here. Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're eating Panda Express. Over here. Pull this bad boy out. We've got our fortune cookie, our sweet and sour sauce, and what I usually get at Panda Express, because it's been forever since I've had Panda Express, so I didn't even think to get anything else. And to be honest, I don't want to try anything new right now from there, so this it is. How do I... Okay. Let me pour this on real quick. Ooh, it's going to be spicy. Why did I pour all of it? I'm crazy. Crazy. Guys, I'm going to start eating. I don't know where to put my food. Maybe we'll put it up like this. I don't have the proper setting. I'm a mess right now. Hold on, y'all. So I am parked at a cemetery right now, and I'm going to turn on my Spirit Talker app just so that we can talk to spirits while we eat, because why not, for some entertainment. So yeah, this is a cemetery in Oregon. Hello spirits, it's me, Tina. I don't know if you remember me, but I've been here before, you guys. I'm using Necrometer for now, but I've been here before, so yeah. How are you? There's some stuff that came through here from my last area that I was at before I got here. So executed. Were you executed? That's so sad. Let's start. I'm quite hungry. Is it okay that I'm visiting you? And also, what was your name? The person who was executed. Apparently I can't speak at all today. This is good. It's been a minute since I've had Panda Express. I have a soda here. Can you tell me your names? Nose? Let me see, is there anything on my nose? Nope. Can you tell me your names and how many spirits are here with me? It's not really windy here, so it's a perfect time to probably use the voice app. Let's see if we can do speech. Hi. Did you say hi?
No, elixir.
No, something? Elixir?
Does it sell your hater?
Did you say this is your hater?
Fabricate and.
Something fabricate and?
Elitaidu.
Hmm?
Joe.
Is your name Joe? Jill?
Is it here?
Is it here? What?
Earthful.
Sound like I heard Earthful. Can you tell me your names?
Off Joe.
Hmm.
Anne.
Anne or Anna?
Dave Rio IC.
Hmm.
Full 2.
Can you tell me my name?
Is if Tro.
My nickname?
Ori is Saren. Ariel.
Ariel? Okay, guys.
Often eat Earthful.
I can kind of understand that. That is a human voice. Let's try the robot voice. Hello? How many spirits are here? Hmm? Did you say only 3? You guys, it's so hard to understand what they're saying. Are you at peace? Can you see what I'm doing right now? Hmm? I don't know how some people can understand what they're saying on here, but I have a hard time. I don't know why. Let's see if we can use necrophonic. Necrophonic. I feel like it's easier for me to understand. Mm-hmm. Hi. Is anyone here? Yeah. What's your name? Did you say Cass? Yes. Are you... Did you cross over to the other side? In heaven? Are you at peace? Can you tell me what those 2 people across from me are doing? What are they doing? It sounded like it said dogs. Did you say dogs? Yep, yeah. I'm gonna pause this for a second. They're walking their dogs. Okay, guys, there's some people coming, so I'm just gonna pause this for a second. Okay, let's see Spirit Talker for a second. Hello, it's me still. I will turn on the other app again, but just for now, let's just keep this on for a second. A lot of ghost investigators, they use this app. And they also use Necrometer for voice, for texting, where you can get like rewards or whatever. I'm afraid to talk.
I'm afraid to talk.
Can you tell me why? Oops. Oof. Dang. You don't have to be afraid. I'm not here to cause any harm. You can speak if you want to. This is a safe place. I have this device in my hand that can help me and you communicate. My name's Tina, by the way, my nickname. There was a couple here just walking their dogs. That's why I turned my phone off. And there's a woman here with another dog. Are you ready? Yes, I am. Are you gonna do something to get my attention? Can you knock on my windows, please? Y'all actually have something for the spirits here.
Young.
Young? Are you a young spirit? Did you die young? You guys, spirits, I have this thing here. If you want, if you tap it like this, it'll go off. So please don't be afraid to touch it. Excuse me. Feel free to tap it. It'll let me know you're actually here. It'll give me legit proof. So please tap it if you want. Oh. I just spilled my Coke. I spilled my Coke all over the back seat of my car, or the back floor of my car over here on the passenger side, which is fine. It's just there. And then I try to step out and walk over there, but there's a lot of these spiky things on the floor. Not fun. All right, Spirit, is that what you meant by "Are you ready"? Did you sense I was gonna do something stupid like that and spill my drink? At least it was my drink and not my food. Knock on wood. Knock on wood. Hopefully we won't make that mistake again. Okay, let's turn on that other app. We're gonna turn on Necrophonic again. Hey. Did you see what I just did? Did you see the big mess I made? Yeah. Can you tell me what I spilled? Can you tell me what I just spilled? Oh my god. Sorry, I'm gonna spill my food next. How many spirits are with me right now? Is there such thing as the afterlife? Yeah. I thought I heard amazing. Did you say amazing? Wow. So is the afterlife better than Earth? Yep. How cool. So, is God real? The cemetery is nice, you guys, but there's people visiting their loved ones. So I don't know if I'll be going out. Let me stop this. I'm going to use Necrometer text message for now. Thank you for communicating with me, spirits. I wonder if I look weird sitting here parked eating food. Is that weird? What would you guys do if you were at the cemetery and you saw someone eating in their car? Would that be weird? Gross. Soul. How's Soul? Is there somebody close to me that's here that died? A loved one? The guy just came again with this little, I guess some cemetery guy. Stabbed? You were stabbed? I'm sorry. Right? Were you able to cross into heaven now? Like, are you on that side of the universe, the world? Not world, I should say universe. Realm? Oh. Okay. I think I'm done eating for now. I don't want to overdo it. So I think this is a perfect place to stop eating. Spirit, is it okay that I'm visiting you? The food was really good today. I don't like that I spilled half of my Coke. Maybe it's a blessing in disguise, who knows? There's a lot of people coming from that area. Oh, there's so many. Oh. Oh, wow. I guess they're holding maybe a voice. Can you, I want to hear your voice. You guys, when it comes to like funerals and stuff, I've never been to one before. Never in my life. I've only had 2 people in my life that have passed. My grandparents, from at least that I've gotten to, like, that I knew in person, and you know, that were close to me, that passed away from are my grandparents from my mom's side. So yeah, they passed away, but like years ago when I was young. My grandma's nickname, American nickname, is Anna, but we used to call her Anna instead of Anna. But yeah, so a few times that name has appeared on here, which is very interesting. I don't know, it's just very interesting. Turn this on. Hello? Yeah, so the name Anna has appeared a couple of times. Is Anna here? No. Yeah, so I don't have a lot of funeral experience or experience with loss. So those are just the 2 big major losses in my life that I've had. And I've never been to a funeral. I've never been to a wedding either, which is just crazy. So yeah, anyways, I'm going to cut this video here short. I might be filming another video here at the cemetery. We will see, but let me know what you guys thought of this video, and I'll watch you in the next one. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back. So right now I parked at the cemetery. I just, oh gosh, I'm literally on the edge of spilling my drink over here. I just finished eating my Panda Express, and I just filmed a video of that. But now we're just here at the cemetery. I'm debating if I want to go for a walk or not. I don't know, part of me wants to, but there was a lot of people that just came from one area. Excuse me, so I don't want to disturb them if they were having like a funeral service or something. So they left, but I don't know if there's more people down there. So I don't know, or maybe I can just park my car somewhere to the very left. There's another car coming, so I think that's what we might do. Oh, these spiky things, y'all. I parked in the worst place ever. I don't know if you know what these things are. Oh, this is not good for dogs. You see that? These spiky things are very annoying. Ugh. Not fun. And I wanted to go clean the back of my car because of the drink that I spilled. And I went with just socks that, oh my god, that was horrible. Thankfully it wasn't a lot. So I stopped right there and put on some shoes. Yeah, I think I might go park somewhere else and try and attempt maybe to reach out to some spirits, but I don't know yet because I don't want to be disrespectful because there's a lot of people coming from that area. I don't even know how they're coming from there because I don't see. Ew, what is that? Is that a bee? I don't know how they fit all those cars there. Anyways, I think what I'm gonna do is maybe go that way and try to find a parking place somewhere down over there. I think that's the plan. Yeah. Before we go, I completely forgot. I have my fortune cookie, and you cannot finish your Panda Express without checking your fortune here. Mine says, oh, okay. Delight in a friend, success. Delight in a friend's success. Okay. Anyways, yeah. I don't know what to do with this. I'm trying not to make such a huge mess. Anyways, let's just go.